Several members of the cabinet have undergone a legislative advocacy skills development seminar in Clark, Pampanga. The seminar was designed to give cabinet officials a better understanding of the country's legislative processes. Sam Ramirez filed this report.
Maintaining a good and professional relationship between the executive and legislative branch of the government is crucial in achieving the legislative agenda of every administration. A legislative agenda outlines a set of priority bills of the government, which would facilitate institutionalized reforms. A seminar which is focused on developing and strengthening legislative advocacy skills was given to some cabinet members. The seminar was funded by the United Nations Development Program in cooperation with the Human Rights, President's Legislative Liaison Office or PLLO, and Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council or LEDAC. Secretary Manuel Mamba, head of the PLLO, the office which maintains close ties with the legislative branch, identified sustainable economic growth and anti-corruption as some of the priority areas of the Aquino administration's legislative agenda.
Yung fiscal incentives na gusto gawin ng ating presidente, the cabotage law, the Bangsamoro, marami ito, of course, the FOI also, and a lot of other measures, but more so on the economy and on how to sustain the economy.
Laws are important because they pave way for real changes, according to Secretary Sonny Coloma of the Presidential Communications and Operations Office.
Yung batas, ayon do sa aking sinalaysay, ay kailangan maging panggagalingan ng liwanag. No? At yung liwanag ay sumasagisag sa pagbabago. At liwanag, hindi lang liwanag, kung hindi buhay, no? Buhay na mas malusog, buhay na mas masigla, buhay na naayon sa aspirasyon at pangarap ng lahat ng Pilipino.
But aside from passing bills that are with the administration's legislative agenda, close monitoring of the implementation is equally important for real reforms to be defined and institutionalized. Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.